Lust is silently destroying you. It kills your focus, your discipline, your confidence. Every time you give in, you lose energy, drive, and self-respect. Here's how to break free. Cut the triggers, block the sites, unfollow the accounts. Keep your phone out of reach. Don't make failure easy. Replace, don't suppress. When urges hit, move your body. Push-ups, a walk, journaling. Action kills temptation. Find your why. Lust is often a mask for boredom, loneliness, or pain. Face the root, not just the urge. When you win this battle, your confidence skyrockets. Your mind becomes sharp. You stop being controlled and start leading your life. You are not weak, you're untrained. Start today. Defeat lust. Take back your power.